Hey students, so we actually have two more slides for chapter 1. I didn't want us to miss out on it. So after Nick leaves Daisy and Tom's house, he returns home, and when he gets home, he sees Gatsby, the great Gatsby, for the very first time. So when Nick arrives home, he sees Gatsby for the first time, a handsome young man standing on the lawn with his arms reaching out towards the dark water. Nick looks out at the water, but all he can see is a distant green light that might mark the end of a dock. And so in this scene, whose dock do you believe the green light is at the end of? So I'm not going to tell you because that would be a spoiler alert, but try to consider whose dock it might be. And so remember, Gatsby lives on West Egg, East Egg is over there, there's the green light. What is it that Gatsby might be reaching towards? And ultimately, what do you believe the green light might symbolize? So if Gatsby is reaching out towards the green light, green must symbolize something desirable. What might it be? And so I want you to consider those things as you consider the end of chapter 1. And now we're actually done. All right, I'll see you next time for chapter 2. Bye.